Good morning guys and welcome to today's job. Today's job is a surface clean, a treat, a rinse and a resand. We have this driveway here to clean. We're going to give it a pressure wash, give it a rinse off and then come back and give it a resand. We're in the lovely village of Cossington near Bridgwater in Somerset today. It's a very nice drive, it's very well put together, but it hasn't been cleaned in some time. So the customers give us a call, asked us to come out, give it a clean, give it a freshen up. As you can see, some bits are worse than others. A little look at the photographs. Let's get started. Right guys, that's the pressure washing, the surface clean, treat and the rinse now complete. I'll have a little walk round and then we'll get on with the sanding. As you can see as you walk around, it's so much nicer, so much cleaner. You can see all the colours and the bricks have come back through. There's no more dirty patches, no more slippy spots, much more consistent underfoot. Here we see the after photos, massive difference, massive transformation. Customers very happy. Now for the resand. Right guys, this job is pretty much complete. The battery died before I fully finished. The customer kindly left us a nice review, so thank you for that. My details are here if you need. Click the links to see more videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next job.